Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. If you're anything like me, you go to Outback just to get that Bloomin' Onion and them Bloomin' Onion Petals. So you ain't gotta do that no more. I'm gonna show you how to make this in the comfort of your own home. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here, we have our flour here in the back. We have our onion petals here. Guys, all I did was take an onion, slice it in 4/4, and then cut that in half, because I had a large onion, and you just get you some petals just like that. We have some milk, sour cream. In this dish, we have kosher salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. We have an egg back here, minced garlic. In this dish, we have ground oregano, cumin, and thyme, ketchup, horseradish, mayo, slap your mama Cajun seasoning. In this dish, we have garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, more smoked paprika, and black pepper right here in the back. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our dip. Get that out the way so we can go ahead and get it refrigerated. We're gonna add our mayo to this dish, our sour cream, horseradish, minced garlic, our ketchup, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. And we're just gonna get this a mix like this. And let's do this too. Let's dash this with some Worcestershire sauce, that W sauce. Guys, take a look at that. All right, let's sit this in the refrigerator and continue. All right, so next let's prepare our flour. We're gonna add our Cajun seasoning, black pepper, oregano, cumin, and thyme, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're gonna get that whisked around and mixed up. All right, real simple. Let's continue. All right, so now let's create our egg wash. We're gonna add our cup of milk here, along with our egg, and we're just gonna get that whisked around. Just like that. Guys, I see an opportunity right now to add a little hot sauce right here to this egg wash. What do y'all think about that? Get that whisked around. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start setting up our workstation so we can get our onion petals dipped in the egg wash into our flours onto a resting rack, all right? All right, so what we're gonna do next is, as you can see, I added my onion petals to a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna just take like a 1/3 cup of our flour mixture, just like this, and we're going to add it to our onion petals. And we're going to seal this up, and we're going to move this around, shake it up, move it around, try to make sure we get all the onion petals coated. Now, if you think you need to add more depending on how many onion petals you have, feel free to do so. You just want to make sure you have a light coating on all of the onion petals, all right? So, looks like that 1/3 was good for me. Now let's go ahead and set up our workstation. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our onion petals out of our Ziploc bag. We're gonna add them to the wet mixture. Now you're gonna take your hand, shake out the excess, add them here to our batter. And you're gonna take your dry hand and you're gonna go ahead and flip them around and get them moved around in this batter, coated. And shake off that excess flour. Add your petals here to a rack. Guys, just like that, and we just gonna repeat the process for the others, and then we're gonna come right back, all right? All right, so we got all our onion petals breaded up. Now we're gonna head over to the stove. We got the oil already heating up to 350 degrees. We're gonna get those babies dropped in there, and man, it's gonna be over, just like that. Let's go. All right, let's start dropping these in our oil. And guys, we're gonna let these babies fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until crispy. All right, so it looks like we're there, guys. Take a look at that. Man, look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these removed. I have a wide rack over here that we're gonna place them on, let them drain, and then we're gonna add our next batch. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last batch here. Go ahead and turn off our fire. We're gonna add these over here to our cooling rack, and then we're gonna head over to our cutting board. And there you have it, guys. Bloomin' Onion Petals. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control because it's time to get a taste test, all right? Let's go. We're back in here, quality control. Let's bring them onion petals to the front of the congregation. Oh, man, y'all already know. Let's go ahead and get one of these crunchy babies inside my mouth. Listen, if you like Outback and you love that bloomin' onions, you're definitely gonna like this right here. So let's dip it in some of this sauce. Oh, listen, these babies are delicious. I'm not gonna harp on no fried onions because guys, you already know flour, some seasoning, with some onions. That's a winner right there in itself. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. Yep, all wings, everything. Remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.